The same way, if you think about it, that you don't need to be a web developer to update a blog post, you can drag and drop an image or video and suddenly they appear on a website or a mobile app. And if I'm in New York and you're in California and we're both watching an episode on Netflix, we automatically get the best streaming experience. So at Echo, we basically translated these concepts into the virtual reality and augmented reality, providing you with the way to manage and deliver 3D data and yet the best 3D streaming experience. And what's interesting here is this kind of bi-directional connection between data and location or data and target. If you think about images and videos, you as a user, you can't move an image or a video on a website, but you can definitely move a 3D couch across the room or a 3D avatar inside a game. And that location needs to be updated on the cloud. So that's kind of the big difference between how we handle 3D content and 2D content and why it's so different and why we need new tools to basically manage 3D content. So this is basically what we've built, this kind of content management system and delivery network that's kind of extremely focused on 3D content. And today I'm going to kind of share, again, some interactive demos and upload data and allow you to stream it to your phones right now through our platform. So you can kind of enjoy augmented virtual reality, but also learn how to build applications really, really fast.